This is a video to help you plot your ordered pair on the coordinate plane. First, you're going to select your coordinate plane by clicking on it, and a blue box will appear around the outside. At the bottom left will be an edit icon with a pencil. You're going to click that, and a drawing of the coordinate plane will now pop up on your screen. First, you are going to look for the shape icon at the very top. You're going to click that, and then a drop-down menu will appear. You're going to hover over shapes and find your circle. And I would just draw it over here so that we have it ready to go when it's time to plot. I typed my ordered pair over here on the side so I can easily refer to it. The first number of our ordered pair is our x value, which gets plotted along our x-axis. Our x-axis runs horizontally. Our second value is our y value, and that gets plotted along our y-axis, and that runs vertically. Before you plot your ordered pair, you always start at the origin, 0, 0. Depending on your first number will depend the direction that you move. If your number is a negative number, you move to the left. If your number is a positive number, you move to the right. My first number is a positive number. Mine is a positive 4. I'm going to move 4 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my second number is a positive 2. So I'm going to move up 2 spaces. And that's where I would plot my ordered pair 4, 2. If my second number was a negative number, I would have went down 2 spaces. But because my number was a positive 2, I'm going to plot my point up 2 spaces. So now that I know where my ordered pair gets plotted, I'm now going to drag my circle over to 4, 2. Just gotta make sure you adjust it. Before you move it, make sure it has the cross there. And I'm gonna double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 2, 1, 2. Perfect. So now I plotted my ordered pair. You have to make sure you select the blue box at the upper right corner saying save and close. You click that. And now you'll see my blue circle that is now plotted on my coordinate plane of my ordered pair 4, 2.